Mhm. There you go. Mhm. Just might have to push yourself up higher. Good job. Yeah. P6. Three more. Last one. That's all right. Okay. Start your dips on there when you come back over. Mhm. There you go. Okay. Yeah. Give me some. Yeah.
That is so exciting. Okay.
Mhm.
How many of these?
Okay. So we're doing 12. 3. Excellent. 12. That's it. Okay.
Okay, right.